So how did you know that this is the one thing which is like, meant for you? Because it's not something like a dream I had कि मुझे content company खोलनी और मुझे social media करना. I mean, that wasn't why I was there. I was just a creative person. उससे पहले मैंने टपरवेयर भी बेचा, मैंने साड़ियाँ भी बेची, but nothing but content stuck with me. And that's when I did mine and said कि no, now I'm enjoying this work. Thanks to my mentor, of course. So this is also one of the things I always suggest to younger children or younger businesses and people who are, still trying to figure it out, have a mentor in place. So because of my mentor, the kind of work we have done, companies take 15 years to do it and we finished it in 5 years. So how did you nurture, maybe back in school or back in college, your content writing skills? Was it like reading English movies, or you also did masters in English literature? So how did you know that this is the one thing which is like, meant for you? I think ये पता नहीं होता, but so like we were discussing before we started the interview, I think when I started, I was just reading. You were just trying. No. So literature or English or thing was never. See, one, because you're in the Forge, your communication, your English skills are fundamentally better than, okay, let's just not say better. Let's just say, I'll rephrase that you pick up and you become smoother at your language and communication faster because the opportunity is such. Like, if you are like 100 people in a place, तुम फौज में हो, so there is only one common language, whether it's English or it's Hindi. So you pick up either of them and that's what you speak. So that's how your language gets better, because you are not speaking in Punjabi ever. Because आपके साथ में जो somebody is from Maharashtra, somebody is from Tamil Nadu, somebody is from Kerala, somebody is from, Gujarat. So English or Hindi. And it is because it's a forge, because we still have that Britisher thing on us. So it was always English for us. So that one part got sorted. Okay. Yeah. The second is I was reading books only out of boredom. कि मेरा कोई दोस्त नहीं है, कोई मेरे साथ खेलेगा नहीं, और मैं बाहर जाऊंगी तो मैं मोटी हूँ तो मैं गिर जाऊंगी, बॉल को पकड़ते पकड़ते फिर सब मजाक उड़ाएंगे, तो वो करना ही नहीं है, तो घर बैठो और किताब पढ़ो. तो कुछ तो बच्चे ने करना है ना, you will end up doing something, right? So that's how second part the books happened. But I was always an economics student. So in my graduation subjects, I don't have English anywhere at all. So I was like, nahi, and my friends were like, economics karte hain. I had Pol Science, economics and public administration. So I said, chalo, we'll do something on this. Then when this happened, till 12th, I was a physics, chemistry, maths person. Okay. So then I still remember mom ne बोली, तुम इतना पढ़ाई पूरी करके क्या करो, तुम BA करो चुपचाप अपना लाइफ enjoy करो. My mom said chill out, तुम थोड़ा लाइफ enjoy करो. तो मैं हमसे BA कर ली. तो जब हमने BA कर ली, फिर जब मास्टर्स की बारी आई, all my friends went into economics. So my core group tha, because वही हमारा subject था. And suddenly I remember I'm with my friend and we are at the university and we are paying the fees for the economics department. And I was like, यार मेरा ना दिल नहीं कर रहा, मैं बहुत दुखी हुई थी मीडियम मोड करके, कॉलिंग भी नहीं आ रही मुझे. And she says कि तू क्या करना, मैं कह इंग्लिश में जाके करती हूँ, let me just see the English department. It was so random, I can't tell you. So I think the point I'm just trying to make is that none of us really know which way we are going to go. Uske baad se, then I picked up a job, I got married, then I picked up a job with Maxim Apply, then again something else happened, फिर हम बॉम्बे शिफ्ट हो गए, फिर वहां पे कुछ एडवर्टाइजिंग PR में कर लिया. So मुझको पता ही नहीं था मुझे क्या करना है. And then content writing, like I literally just told you, fell into my lap. But I think sometimes now when I put the pieces together and I say, Achha, this is the reason this all happened. Because see, after 5 years of starting Content Factory, my basic aim, like I told you, to become an entrepreneur was that I wanted to earn money. है ना, चाहे मुझे कोई नौकरी दे दो, चाहे आप मेरे को entrepreneurship करा लो. फिर किसी ने उसमें से भी मेरे को एक रैंडम सी चीज उठा के content writing कर दो, तो हमने content writing कर ली, right? After 5 years when you've made your basics, मतलब आपको अपना वो खर्चे का स्ट्रेस नहीं है कि बच्चों की फीस कहाँ से आएगी, अगला मील कहाँ से आएगा, गाड़ी में तेल कहाँ से भरेंगे. फिर जब once all that is taken care of, that's the time I realized that why am I still running and doing this? Because it's not something like a dream I had कि मुझे content company खोलनी और मुझे social media करना. I mean, that wasn't why I was there. I was just a creative person. उससे पहले मैंने टपरवेयर भी बेचा, मैंने साड़ियाँ भी बेची, सरोजनी नगर से सूट्स भी खरीद के यहाँ लाके मैं और मामा मिलके बेचते थे. But nothing but content stuck with me. So then after 5 years, I think it's important that every entrepreneur do some kind of introspection. And that's when I did mine and said, no, now I'm enjoying this work. For me, it was, I said, like, pehle to it was that, you were on that
spinners
पैसे कमाने
हाँ
हैं,
पैसे कमाने
Yeah.
पैसे कमाने उसके बाद at some stage तो you will try and figure out I mean
हाँ.
basics are now taken care of, that you know that spinning cycle is not that fast, so now you're moving a little more slowly and you're trying to figure things out, and that's when I realized कि अब भी मेरे को इसमें मजा आ रहा है. Now this is exactly what I really want to do. So again I'm saying it's all probably destined, but I just say that I just got lucky. I work hard, of course, no doubt about that. But as far as जब जो कोई और भी तो कोई काम दे सकता था मुझे. They could have told me तुम कोडिंग कर लो, तुम कुछ और कर लो. मतलब it could have been anything. But I am so glad that this happened. So yeah, I'm just plain lucky, I guess.
No, you were not lucky. You were so hardworking.
I
You
was
were
hardworking.
focused.
And focus was पैसा कमाना. Focus is not कि मुझे कोई brand build करना है या मुझे content factory चलानी. Focus is just that anything that will pay me money right now. मतलब कुछ भी करा लो मेरे से, पर पैसे दे दो उस चीज की. मेरे को मैं blog लिख रही हूँ. You know, like initially तो it was a very sasta arrangement. I mean, I still remember somebody saying, we will pay you 10 paisa per word.
Yeah, per word.
मतलब कितना पैसा बनता होएगा उसमें से. But once it started, the role, I think it took time, and then of course again we were lucky because मुझे चंडीगढ़ में काम ही नहीं करना था. So I think we picked up a lot of clients from the US, all word of mouth. All word of mouth. वो एक का काम किया, फिर दूसरा आ गया, फिर तीसरा, and thanks to my mentor of course. But it just kind of went on a roll. And that's how we just got lucky also, because normal companies, so this is also one of the things I always suggest to younger children or younger businesses and people who are, you know, still trying to figure it out, have a mentor in place. So because of my mentor, the kind of work we have done, companies take 15 years to do it and we finished it in 5 years.